If you're looking for a budget-friendly, simple, comfort and tasty meal, then stick around. Gently fry a thinly sliced medium onion and 100 grams of either bacon, or in my case lardons, in a tablespoon of oil. Meanwhile, bring 500 grams of peeled potatoes to the boil and cook until tender. When the potatoes are cooked, drain, then leave them for a few minutes in their own steam. Once the onions are browned and gone sticky, you can turn off the heat. Now mash the potatoes. It doesn't have to be super smooth, in fact it's probably better if it's not super smooth. Now add a knob of butter, half a cup of milk, a teaspoon of mustard, a beaten egg, salt and pepper, and here I've got 115 grams of grated cheese. I'm going to add about 3/4 or 2/3 into the mix, together with the bacon and onions, and then give everything a really good mix. Looking delicious already. Grease a baking dish with a little bit of butter, add in the pie mix, sprinkle on the remaining cheese, then bake at 180 degrees C for about 40 minutes. Athos, Lila, cheese! Who'd like cheese?
I'm coming, Mum, don't eat it. Oh, come have some cheese. Oh, it's a bloody camera again.
When it comes out of the oven, the top should be nicely browned. Served with homegrown steamed vegetables of your choice. The great thing about this, of course, is that you can prepare it in advance. So when you get home from work or studying or farting around, you can just pop it in the oven, have a shower, put your purple dinosaur onesie on with a gin and tonic, and bosh, your meal's ready. Join me next time in my kitchen. Until then,